Okay, this is part two, number two of the video of the Navien NHB boiler troubleshooting. I'm going to hit the button 3 times and then it's going to cycle through all of the information. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there's the A at 163 is number 1. Then I think I have to hit plus. There's B is at 131. Then C, there's nothing at C. Then D, no D. Then E, E's blank. F is 22. G blank. H 0. I 20.4, that's pounds per square inch. J is 77, that's L maybe. K is 10. L is 490. M is 491. N is 21 volts, it looks like 21 V. O 23. P 153. Looking for the water temperature, Q. Okay, I think I've exceeded it. Post this, see if anybody gives me any ideas of what I'm doing wrong and what's up. Bye-bye.